Most people think that managing Airbnbs means living on your phone 24/7, answering what's the Wi-Fi, and then you're chasing cleaners all weekend. I do none of that. I work a full-time job and manage over 20 plus Airbnbs in 2 different markets, and I don't lose my mind every single week. Maybe just once or twice. The reason for this is systems and the technology behind them. I built a tech stack that runs about 90% of my business for me, and in this video I'm going to break down every single tool that I use in a day-to-day basis with my team of 5. So whether you have 1 property or 100 properties, here's how you build an Airbnb business to run itself. Running short-term rentals is constant work. Guest in, guest out, and you're still expected to be your own bookkeeper? I had multiple listings going and no real way to manage the money that was coming in. Between flipping beds and trying to match receipts from a payment a month ago, I couldn't even know if I was making real money. That's when I found BaseLane. It's the official banking platform of BiggerPockets, and it handles all of the tracking and reporting I used to do manually. Now I can see real-time financial reports for each listing and know if there's a problem that's arising. For example, last month I had a 300% spike in my electric at one of my properties, and I realized that I needed to do something. I quickly set up a smart thermostat inside of it, and my electricity bill was cut almost in half. Thanks to things like BaseLane, I avoided losing my profits and actually getting them back in my pocket. Start protecting your profits today by signing up at baselane.com/BP, and you'll get your $100 bonus right when you sign up. Hey everyone, my name is Garrett Brown. I'm the resident BiggerPockets STR expert and a short-term rental investor myself from Houston, Texas. If you clicked on this video, you either have quite a few Airbnb or short-term rental properties you currently own or manage, or you're thinking about getting into it and trying to figure out how you're going to save the headache and time that usually comes with running a short-term rental. This is going to be a no-fluff, very quick breakdown of my tech stack. I'm not going to dive into each exact software a ton, but you'll be able to take these away and I'll list them in the description so that you can make your own choices going forward on what works best for you. There's usually a couple options for each thing that I will point out. So do trials, give each software a shot and see if it works for you. What works for me may not be your favorite one. And there's a lot of different ways that you can actually go about this, but each category itself should have its own software or something helping run that on the back end for you. We're going to start first with the brains of the operation. That is your property management software. There are a ton of options out there, some really good ones. I use Logify, but I know a lot of other people also like Hospitable, OwnerRez, quite a few others that are out there in the STR ecosphere. The property management software is the brains because it triggers all these other softwares that I'm going to talk about. It helps you connect different platforms that you're listing on, Airbnb, direct bookings, Vrbo. It puts it all into one unified inbox, gives you accounting reports. It is pretty much the central hub for all these other tech stacks that we're going to talk about. And while every single other one is very important, this is probably the most important, and the better customization you put into it, you'll be able to save so much time with automatic messages, getting guest IDs when you need them, and just a myriad of things that each software will have different strengths of. But do some trial runs, see which one you kind of like, and then just pick one and move forward with it. It's going to be one of the best dollars you spend each month just for your own peace of mind and time. Next, we get into our dynamic pricing software. This is going to be able to tell you what to price your property at, make adjustments when supply and demand move. It's all based off an algorithm, and the company I use is called PriceLabs. It's probably the most popular software for dynamic pricing out there, so they have a ton of data. It will help you automatically adjust rates. You don't have to manually go in and change things, and there's all types of rule sets you can do to make sure your property is going to be the most profitable. They cost about $20 per property, but your revenue is going to increase by at least 10 or 15% each time you use it. A lot of people say go in every single day and mess with PriceLabs and the numbers within it, and that has its own value for sure, and there's definitely things you need to keep an eye on. But after talking with PriceLabs quite a bit, they say the best host and revenue numbers actually come when people trust their software to just do the thing that it was built to do. And so I tend to not be in my PriceLabs software as much as I used to be. Maybe once a week or once a month I go in and review some things. But PriceLabs is pretty much a tool that is going to be able to get you to that highest revenue figure that you're looking for without even making a whole lot of sacrifice. PriceLabs will sync into your property management software to make sure that the prices are all even across all platforms, or adjust how you want to depending on the platform. But it's just another reason why a property management software is so important. The next software that I use is pretty much rounds out my holy trinity of property management, dynamic pricing, and then your cleaner and task management software. I use Turno. It comes when you have the highest level of Logify. Turno is automatically included in this. And what happens is when a booking comes in on any channel, it gets put into Logify automatically. It will trigger in Turno, whoever your cleaner is, to get a notification that there is a cleaning on this day. Checkout is this time. And it would even tell them when the next guests check in. There will be checklists with inside Turno, and your cleaner can even upload pictures right inside of Turno so you can make sure that the quality control is there. They can decide to accept or decline it. And Turno even has a marketplace for cleaners in different areas. If you don't know anybody and you're not on a local Facebook group, Turno is probably going to be able to help you find the cleaner that you need that is built for short-term rentals. Again, this all syncs at the top in your property management software. So it is the brains of the operation, and these are just little arms that keep helping you save your time and energy. Now, I'm not one of those Airbnb short-term rental people that's going to tell you invest in every market that you can. I'm an economies of scale person. I really love commercial real estate. So I'm only in two and getting into a third market that is near the other two right now, currently with most of my portfolio. But when I do look at new markets and how I even got into those markets to begin with, I used PriceLabs Market Dashboards and also Airbtics. There's a ton of other companies out there that have short-term rental data, from Rabu to Mashpfizer, tons of them out there. Use these type of STR data softwares to know about the market you're getting into, what property is going to be the most profitable, how many bedrooms you need, what amenities are better. This is going to be a really good grounding way to get your feet wet and know if a market or a property is going to be a good one to invest in or take over on the management side. Now we have one of the most crucial tools out there is our guest communication features. So I have a team of about 5 right now. I have 3 virtual assistants and an operations manager that helps me with a lot of this. And we have several cleaners and handy people and day helpers and all types of properties. We use Discord, which is a free way to communicate within our teams very easily, have different channels. A lot of people use Slack as well, has great automations, cost a little more and has a few more things to it. But me being a millennial, I like Discord, and a lot of my cleaners and VAs and all that like Discord as well. They pretty much go hand in hand. We use a company called OpenPhone for our business lines. So that way each VA can have its own phone line. We're able to communicate within there. We're not sending calls to our personal information. It did, I think, recently change its name to Quo, Quo, but it was called OpenPhone previously. Great resource, very, very software and tech friendly focus, has a ton of integrations way beyond just a regular phone number that you have. Then the last piece that we've recently implemented, and this company is one of my favorite, it's called HostBuddy AI. This is an AI tool that is built for hosts that is probably a better host than I am and syncs with Logify or other property management. It will go in and read all your messages, see your guidebooks, and you can put data into it. You can turn this on for about $10 per property, and it can run 24/7, and it will answer every guest question that is a very easy question with the snap of a finger. It's amazing. It will sync in with OpenPhone as well now. They have integration. So if somebody texts your open phone number, HostBuddy can see that now and send out a question or an answer or whatever it needs to. These are very crucial, especially the more you're building out a team, to really get this in line before you start building even more. It's hard to catch up on all of these once you've already expanded to 20 or 30 properties. But look into these for your guest communication and team communication side, and you're going to be ready to rock. Another really important piece of software that we use is our digital guidebooks. The one I use is called TouchStay. Super interactive, very easy to deal with. We don't use paper guidebooks or anything like that. These are my favorite too, because also the thing really cool about digital guidebooks is if you make a change or anything simple or the Wi-Fi password changes, you can just go into your guidebook and change it out. You can even make a QR code to leave it in the place and say, hey, here's our guidebook, scan it if you need it. We send it out in automatic messaging as well that we schedule within Logify. But it's about, I think, $40 per property per year, not even per month. And it's kind of a no-brainer just because of how easy and seamlessly it works with everything within. There are some other guidebook options out there, and your property management software or whatever you use may have their own guidebook choices. So This isn't a absolute have thing, but I personally, every single property I bring on, I put right into TouchStay and have one of the best guidebook experiences around. Next big thing, especially if you're managing for a lot of people, is they're going to want to know about the property security. And most people will use Ring doorbells. It has a great account system that you can share the accounts. You can see who's coming into the property. Just make sure you don't put these in, exterior places like hot tub areas or anything like that. You have to disclose these to guests, only usually at the front or the parking entrance or something like that. So make sure you notify guests in the listing description on Airbnb or wherever you're listing at that you do have exterior cameras on the property that are in more public facing areas. Don't put them by the pool, hot tub, anywhere inside, anything like that. Those are major violations. You can get a ton of trouble. This is just for the outside property security. There's one called Vico Home that I've had on a couple properties under. It's a lot cheaper than Ring, a little easier, but doesn't have as many features too. So you can make your choice here, which one actually is the best for you. A big thing once you actually have quite a few properties and you're expensing things and getting revenue and trying to figure out which property made this money and where, have your bookkeeping even easier. This is definitely when you need to use Baselane. Baselane is one of the coolest softwares out there. It is basically QuickBooks it integrates with QuickBooks, but it is basically banking, bookkeeping, and accounting on steroids for real estate investors. It is built for real estate investors, so check it out. It's pretty much entirely free, but they did just launch a new AI, a Baselane Smart feature that is amazing, and it's only $20 per month. You're going to save time, money, headaches with bookkeeping, headaches come tax season, a million things that Baselane does really well. So that's another just integral thing as you start to grow that you're really going to need to pay attention to. And then the last few, I'm just going to kind of rapid fire off because they're not necessarily full tech stack things, but guest damage protection. This integrates easily within Logify. I use a company called Safely. You can get from $1,500 to I think $10,000 worth of coverage on guest damage with, small, I think $5 to $10 per night, depending on the property and where you're staying. This is a super cool feature for, you don't even have to go to the guest if they damage something. Send an invoice, send the repair receipt, photos, and you'll send it right into Safely's dashboard and they will look at it. They don't pay for wear and tear. It's only for guest damages, but they usually pay for most claims rather quickly, and they pay without having to get a bad review from the guest, or the guests even know that this became a thing that you have. I don't tell guests I have it because I don't want them, running amok around the place, but this is definitely just good peace of mind, and it's a great way to sell owners that you are a qualified co-host for them if you're getting into the property management side. We also have our marketing tools that we use Buffer to post on all our social medias, CapCut to edit a lot of our social media clips, and then we use MailChimp to send out email newsletters and do more direct booking things on that side. There's quite a few other tech things that, we probably use in small tools, but this is kind of like the basic package of what I think would make somebody building the Airbnb short-term rental business make their life a lot easier and also save cost and not have to hire more people, and really lean into some of these automation tools and let the people that you do have on your team really, use the benefit of the tools, and they go hand in hand. You'll never be able to replace human things that are needed in the properties, especially the more direct bookings you do. Tons of people are going to call, ask questions that you just wouldn't even expect, and you do your best to get in front of. They still will find a way to call and ask about them on the direct booking side. So it just makes your life easier when you have the tools and the team set up. If you wanted me to dive into any of these even more, or how I specifically use them, let me know in the comments. Or if you want me to talk about how I organize my team and manage different people in different locations, I'd love to make a video on that as well. I just got a lot of questions about my tech stack, so I wanted to kind of lay it out for everybody and just let people know what exactly I'm using on a day-to-day that helps me after trial and error on so many things. If you made it this far, please hit that subscribe button. I really appreciate it for watching all the way through. And if you have any questions, let us know in the comments. And if not, we'll see y'all in the next episode. Take care.